coming election on May 9, let's set some criteria for our candidates before we choose.
Don't give up your dignity and pride for only 500 pesos during election.
Let us choose the highest and most qualified, capable, loving, and pure among us along the path. Not only will he perform well during campaign, but he will retain his position in the next 6 years.
But look for a good and righteous man for the future. For at the end of the day, whether we suffer or benefits, it's up to us.
Disclaimer: the first clip of the video is the combination of three major prepositions.
In the previous video, we discussed about verbs of moods, which include indicative, subjunctive, and imperative.
What are the major types of preposition?
Preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of direction. A preposition of time is a preposition that allows you to discuss a specific time period, such as a calendar, one of the days of the week, or the actual time something occurs. In short, we use time preposition to locate an event within a time frame. At, on, and in are the common preposition of time. For example, the meeting begins at 10:30 a.m. The ship sank on Saturday night. I was born in the year 2000.
A preposition of place is a preposition that refers to location of something or someone. There are only 3 place of prepositions, yet they can be used to discuss an almost infinite variety of locations. For example, under the table, near school, and above the ocean. Preposition of direction. Preposition of direction tell us about the way which a person or thing moves or is directed in relation to other people or things. The preposition of direction that we can use are along, past, cross, over, through, round, from, to, then also into, out of, onto, off. For example, my friend lives across the street from me. The ducks are eating along the river.
In the preposition with other meanings, we use the words by, with, as, and like. For example, we went to Singapore by airplane. I went to Singapore with my best friends. Robins worked as a videographer in the wedding. Janbar is handsome. He looks like a model. That's how major preposition works.